What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. As you can already tell, it's a different type of video as we have a bike in front of us, but I did just pick this up like a week ago, just to mess around on it. I don't know, and when I saw it, I got it for pretty cheap, so I'll be able to make some money on it. But it's pretty nice, really. It's a Fila frame, has like a Pepsi logo, or unless that's the Fila logo. It's pretty cool. I believe this is a 49cc 2-stroke engine on it. It goes pretty quick. I mean, I don't know, it'll do like 35, 40. Not bad. This is for the front brake, which isn't hooked up, but it's all good. The seat's really nice, comfortable. But, yep, I just figured I'd get this just to mess around on, and then make some money on it whenever I plan to get rid of it. I still need to get some gas and oil for it, so I'll be making some more videos, but it's out of gas right now, so I can't really do much with it. But I'll definitely get some gas in it, and then I don't know, make another video of it riding around and whatnot. So I mean, stay tuned for that. Still waiting for the right car to pop up so I can snag it. Can't find any EG hatches to save my life, any clean ones at least, but I'm gonna find something. But in the meantime, this is the little unit to rip around the yard and stuff.